So here's the fifth example of sine rule. Again, we're going to be finding an angle in this question. Follow along, draw the triangle, pause the video if you need to, etc, etc. So let's get our triangle drawn. Always use this as an opportunity to practice your presentation skills. These are good things to do. Don't think it's a waste doing it because it's not. Pencil, ruler, get it drawn. Sorry if you can hear my neighbour's dog barking. So here's our triangle. Again, just go with 8, B and C. As we get more and more used to this, I'm going to give you 62 degrees down here. This angle is going to be X. I'm going to have 4.5 centimetres up here and 3.7 centimetres over here. So you can pause if you want to give yourself a second to get that written down. Just let me neaten up that 62. So again, I'm trying to find an angle which is given by X, and we've got this whole idea of an angle and its opposite side, so we definitely can use sine rule to work things out with this, with all the information we've got. So sine rule, A over sine A oh no, in fact we're working out an angle, so let's go sine A over A equals sine B over B, and we can put the sine C in as well. I'd probably start getting used to just picking the ones you want, so having a little scan beforehand. So here I can see that I'm looking at B and C, so I don't actually need any of the A sides. So I can probably just get away here with writing, let me get rid of these. I can probably here just get away with writing, just to save myself a little bit of time. Sorry, it's the third time we do it now. Sine B over B equals sine C over C, because I know I'm not going to need A in this question. But we need to label the triangle anyway, so you can write the formula, then label, write the formula. It's up to you, but these two steps should definitely come first. So again, opposite angle A, even though we don't have it, this will be little a. Opposite angle B, so over here that'll be little b. And opposite angle C, we have our little c as well. And it's all labelled, all ready to go, so we can sub straight into our formula. We've got it written down already. So sine B, so sine X over B over 3.7. So sub them into our formula. Sine, remember the capitals stand for the angles, sine X, lowercase b is on the left, 3.7, equals sine C. Here is capital C, 62, and here is lowercase c, 4.5. So they can go into our formula. So sine C is sine of the angle, 62, over little c, which is 4.5. Then we need to solve this. Again, we need to get the x on its own, so we need to get sine x on its own to start with. So we're going to multiply both sides by 3.7, multiply the left hand side by 3.7, it cancels the bottom, multiply the right hand side by 3.7, it's going to attach itself to the top of the fraction, because we're multiplying, and then we can find x by taking the inverse sine of both sides, so sine minus 1 of both sides. Shift sine on your calculator, and we can throw that all into the calculator, and we'll come out with our value for x. So shift sine 3.7 sine 62 divided by 4.5, 46.55, yada yada. So 46.6 degrees. Again, remember it's an angle, so it's in degrees, and we do degrees to one decimal place. And there's x.